Hello, my name is Eric Zhang. I am a 7th grader at Carmel Middle School at Carmel by the Sea, California. During COVID, I studied math at home by myself. I was able to get myself up to a high school level. This year in 7th grade, I am doing AP Calculus, AB. I would consider myself really good at math, but when I tried to do competition math, I was only able to get a 60 on the AMC 10 mock exam on my first try. This is surprising because I know math up to a high school level, but competition math is different from school math, as in it doesn't cover high level topics, but goes into the topics it does cover into very high detail. After reviewing algebra and geometry for 2 months, I was able to get a 80 on the Think Academy entrance exam. After I joined Think Academy and went through its rigorous and systematic training, I was able to get a 97.5 on both the AMC 10A and the AMC 10B. This allowed me to get a achievement role. I am doing the AMC 10 and also going to Think Academy for these 3 reasons. First of all, studying for the AMC 10 can improve my logic skills, which can help me learn difficult things more quickly. Secondly, there are very few students at a similar math level who share similar interests in a large area, as I live in a semi-rural area. Finally, if I get a good score on the AMC 10, it can help me in college applications, as it can help me stand out. My study tips are to review things that you already have done, especially the stuff that you didn't get on your first try, and to also spend a lot of time and effort. Thank you.